Hello friends, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today we're diving into something truly special, transforming your small farmhouse into a cozy Christmas wonderland. Whether you're decorating a compact cottage or a charming country home, I'm here to show you how to infuse every corner with holiday warmth and rustic charm. From the entryway to the bedroom, we'll explore simple yet stunning ideas that celebrate that classic farmhouse aesthetic we all love. If you're excited about creating a home filled with joy this season, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Let's get started. Let's begin where your guest's journey starts, the exterior. A farmhouse Christmas facade is all about keeping things natural and inviting. Think fresh greenery garlands draped across your porch railings, paired with simple white string lights for that magical glow. Add a vintage wooden ladder leaning against the wall, decorated with mini wreaths at each rung. Place galvanized metal buckets filled with evergreen branches and red berries near your front door. A classic wreath made of eucalyptus, pine, and cotton stems brings that perfect farmhouse touch. Consider adding a wooden sign with Merry Christmas in distressed lettering for authentic country charm that welcomes everyone home. Your entryway sets the tone for the entire home, so let's make it both beautiful and functional. Start with a rustic wooden bench for seating, topped with plaid cushions in red and cream. Above it, install vintage-style hooks for coats and hats, each adorned with a small sprig of holly or a miniature wreath. A distressed white shoe cabinet keeps clutter hidden while providing surface space for a wooden tray holding pine cones and candles. Hang a large rustic mirror with a garland draped across the top, featuring eucalyptus and fairy lights. Don't forget a natural fiber doormat with a festive message, and place a galvanized metal basket nearby for easy access to winter accessories. The living room is where memories are made, so let's create the ultimate cozy retreat. Start with your existing farmhouse furniture, a comfortable linen sofa, vintage wooden coffee table, and perhaps a distressed cabinet. The key is layering textures. Chunky knit throw blankets in cream, buffalo check pillows in red and black, and soft sheepskin throws draped over chairs. Choose furniture with weathered finishes and natural materials like reclaimed wood and wrought iron. A vintage trunk can serve as both storage and a coffee table. Stick with neutral base pieces that allow your Christmas decorations to shine while maintaining that timeless farmhouse aesthetic throughout the year. Now for the festive transformation. Drape a lush garland across your mantel, intertwining it with burlap ribbon, pine cones, and battery-operated candles in glass hurricanes. Create a gallery wall moment by hanging vintage-style stockings from distressed wood hooks. On your coffee table, arrange a wooden dough bowl filled with ornaments, greenery, and mercury glass votives. Tuck mini Christmas trees in galvanized buckets throughout the room. String simple white lights along exposed beams or around windows. The secret is mixing natural elements like pine branches and birch logs with vintage finds like old books, enamelware, and antique ornaments for authentic farmhouse charm. Your Christmas tree deserves special attention in farmhouse style. Opt for a full but not overly perfect tree. Slightly asymmetrical adds character. Start with warm white lights, wrapping them deep into the branches. Use a neutral color palette: cream, burlap, natural wood, and touches of red. Incorporate homemade-looking ornaments like wooden beads, fabric stars, and dried orange slices. Add burlap ribbon in loose, flowing cascades rather than tight spirals. Tuck in sprigs of cotton stems and eucalyptus for texture. Top with a galvanized metal star or simple burlap bough. Place the tree in a wooden crate or galvanized bucket base, and surround it with wrapped presents in craft paper tied with twine. The dining room is your entertainment headquarters, so let's establish the perfect farmhouse space. A large wooden farmhouse table with a distressed finish takes center stage, preferably one that shows its age with natural wear and character marks. Surround it with mismatched vintage chairs or a combination of a wooden bench on one side and Windsor-style chairs around the rest. A vintage hutch or open shelving displays your farmhouse dishware collection. Keep walls neutral with shiplap or beadboard wainscoting. An industrial-style pendant light or wrought iron chandelier provides ambient lighting. Layer a natural jute rug underneath to define the space and add warmth underfoot. Transform your dining table into a Christmas showstopper with these simple touches. Run a table runner made of burlap or cream linen down the center. Then layer it with a fresh garland of mixed greenery, eucalyptus, and red berries. Nestle pillar candles in various heights throughout the greenery, placed on small wooden slices for safety. Use white ironstone or vintage enamelware dishes, paired with simple linen napkins tied with twine and a sprig of rosemary. Add place cards written on craft paper tags. Incorporate natural elements like pine cones, cinnamon sticks, and small pumpkins painted white. Mason jars with cranberries and floating candles make perfect individual accents at each place setting. Your kitchen is the heart of the home, especially during the holidays. Classic farmhouse kitchens feature white or cream shaker-style cabinets with simple hardware in oil-rubbed bronze or matte black. Open shelving displays vintage crocks, enamelware, and collected dishware. A farmhouse sink with a gooseneck faucet serves as the centerpiece. Keep appliances simple: a white or stainless refrigerator, a vintage-style stove, and a small countertop coffee station with a pour-over setup or French press. Butcher block or marble countertops provide workspace. Add a wooden island or vintage table for additional prep area. Natural light, pendant lights, and subway tile backsplash complete the look. Decorating the kitchen requires a practical approach since you're actively cooking here. Drape a simple garland across upper cabinets or along open shelving, keeping it away from the stove. Display vintage Christmas dishware on open shelves. Red transferware, white ironstone with holiday patterns. Replace everyday hand towels with festive plaid or linen ones trimmed with red stripes. Create a hot cocoa station on your counter using a vintage tray, mason jars filled with marshmallows and candy canes, and a chalkboard sign. Hang a wreath on a cabinet door or inside a window. Fill a wire basket with fresh greenery, ornaments, and pine cones for the island or table centerpiece. The family room offers a more casual space for daily relaxation. Center your furniture around a media console in distressed wood or painted finish, housing your flat-screen TV. Choose comfortable, durable seating like a sectional in neutral linen or a slip-covered sofa that can handle family life. Add a large ottoman for feet-up comfort, topped with a wooden tray for drinks and remotes. Include plenty of storage through built-ins, vintage cabinets, or woven baskets. Layer in soft textures with washable cotton throws and pillow covers. The goal is creating a space that feels lived in and loved while maintaining farmhouse charm throughout the Christmas season. Make your family room extra cozy for the holidays without overwhelming the space. Swap regular throw pillows for Christmas-themed ones in buffalo check, plaid, or linen with simple holiday messages. Drape a chunky knit blanket in cream or red over the sofa arm. String a garland with lights along the media console or built-in shelving. Place a small tabletop tree on a side table in a galvanized container. Create a hot chocolate bar on a vintage cart with mugs displayed on hooks. Add a Christmas-scented candle in a farmhouse-style holder. Keep decorations touchable and durable since this room gets the most family traffic throughout the busy holiday season. Even small farmhouses can accommodate a functional home office. Choose a compact writing desk in reclaimed wood or a vintage secretary desk that closes when not in use. Position it near a window for natural light. A simple wooden chair or vintage office chair provides seating. Keep the desk surface minimal with a small vintage desk clock, a ceramic pencil holder, and a desk lamp with an industrial or brass finish. Mount floating shelves above for books and decorative storage. Add a vintage radio for ambience. It brings authentic farmhouse character. Use wall space efficiently with a pegboard or chicken wire frame for organizing papers and inspiration. Keep the color palette neutral to maintain focus. Bring holiday cheer to your workspace without creating distraction. Place a small Norfolk pine or mini Christmas tree in a white pot on your desk corner. Swap your regular pencil holder for a small vintage crock filled with candy canes. Hang a simple wreath above your desk or on nearby wall space. Add a plaid or buffalo check desk pad for seasonal flair. String battery-operated fairy lights along your shelving or around a window frame. Display a few vintage Christmas cards on a small easel or clip them to your inspiration board. Keep a holiday-scented candle nearby. Scents like pine, cinnamon, or vanilla create wonderful ambience without being overwhelming during work hours. Every farmhouse needs a quiet reading nook for peaceful moments. Choose a comfortable upholstered chair or vintage wingback in neutral linen or a subtle pattern. Position it near a window with good natural light, and add a simple floor lamp with a linen shade for evening reading. Include a small side table in wood or metal for holding your coffee mug and current book. A vintage wooden stool can also work perfectly. Add a footstool or ottoman for ultimate comfort. Drape a chunky knit throw blanket over the chair arm. Include a small bookshelf or wall-mounted shelves nearby for your collection. This corner becomes your personal retreat during the busy holiday season. Transform your reading nook into a Christmas haven with thoughtful details. Drape your throw blanket in a festive plaid or cream chunky knit. Add a holiday-themed pillow to your chair, perhaps one with a vintage Christmas quote or buffalo check pattern. Place a small arrangement of greenery, pine cones, and a candle on your side table. Hang a small wreath on the nearby wall or window. Stack a few Christmas books or vintage finds on your shelf with decorative bookends. String battery-powered lights along the window frame or bookshelf for soft evening glow. This becomes your favorite spot for enjoying holiday stories, sipping cocoa, and watching snow fall through the window. Your bedroom deserves the same Christmas love with a peaceful approach. Start with your existing farmhouse bed frame. Whether it's an iron bedstead, wooden four-poster, or simple platform bed with natural wood. Layer your bedding with white or cream linens as your base, then add a duvet in a subtle pattern. Top with several pillows in varying sizes, mixing textures like linen, velvet, and cotton. Drape a plaid or buffalo check throw across the foot of the bed. Keep furniture simple. Vintage nightstands, a weathered dresser, and perhaps a bench at the bed's end. The bedroom's Christmas decor should be calming rather than stimulating since this is your rest space. Bring Christmas into the bedroom with gentle, relaxing touches. Swap a few regular pillows for ones in red plaid, cream cable knit, or simple holiday patterns. Drape a fresh garland across your headboard or along a dresser, adding battery candles for soft light. Hang a wreath above the bed or on the back of your door. Choose one with eucalyptus and white berries for a calming effect. Place a small frosted tree on your dresser in a vintage container. Add holiday-scented sachets to your drawers. Lavender with a hint of pine works beautifully. On nightstands, display small mercury glass votives or vintage Christmas candle holders that provide gentle evening ambience. Don't overlook the bathroom in your Christmas decorating. Your farmhouse bathroom likely features classic elements, a pedestal sink or vintage-style vanity, shiplap or subway tile walls, and simple fixtures in oil-rubbed bronze or matte black. The shower area keeps things minimal with a simple curtain in white or natural linen. Add warmth with a vintage wooden stool for towel storage and woven baskets for toiletries. A framed mirror and simple sconce lighting complete the look. Now for Christmas, hang a small wreath on the mirror or door. Replace regular hand towels with festive plaid or ones trimmed with red. Add a small arrangement of greenery beside the sink. Your farmhouse garage serves important functions during the holidays: gift wrapping station, storage for decorations, and general organization. Keep it functional with wall-mounted pegboards for tools, open shelving for bins, and a workbench area. Use vintage-style storage like galvanized bins, wooden crates, and metal shelving units that match your farmhouse aesthetic. Designate a corner for your artificial tree and decoration storage. Create a gift wrapping station on your workbench with a paper roll holder, ribbon organizers in vintage jars, and a storage caddy for scissors and tape. Good lighting is essential. Add a simple greenery garland above the door leading into your house for a festive touch. Conclude your farmhouse Christmas journey on the patio, an extension of your living space. Your farmhouse patio likely features comfortable outdoor seating, perhaps a weathered wooden table, and vintage-inspired lanterns. Even in winter, this space can shine with Christmas magic. Arrange outdoor-safe garland along railings and posts. Place lanterns with battery candles on tables and steps. Fill galvanized buckets with evergreen branches and red berries. Hang an outdoor wreath on a wall or fence. Add outdoor string lights across the space for magical evening glow. Layer outdoor cushions and blankets in plaid for cozy seating on milder days. This space becomes perfect for morning coffee or evening gatherings under the stars. And there you have it, friends. A complete guide to transforming every corner of your small farmhouse into a Christmas haven. Remember, farmhouse style is all about keeping things simple, natural, and meaningful. Mix vintage finds with fresh greenery, layer cozy textures, and let your personality shine through. You don't need to decorate every surface. Sometimes less truly is more. Focus on the spaces your family uses most and build from there. Each element we've discussed works together to create that warm, welcoming atmosphere that makes farmhouse living so special. If you found these ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment telling me your favorite farmhouse Christmas idea, and don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for more design inspiration throughout the season. Happy decorating, and may your home be filled with joy, warmth, and countless precious memories this Christmas.